Hi YouTube. A few years ago, I made this image here in Photoshop, and it costed me more than 30 hours of work. So in today's video, we are going to test if AI can do a better job. I'm pretty curious actually. So what I'm going to use is OpenArt, and OpenArt is very cool because you get 40 free credits. There are several plans, so let's click on upgrade here. I have the free plan currently, and this is 40 credits one time. Okay, so the essential is $14 a month, but if you choose annually, it will be cheaper in the end. So you can go check each plan. What's so cool about OpenArt? I did some research. No, seriously. What's so cool about OpenArt is that it has several models. Yeah, several models. So what we are going to do is text to image. And that is, oh, I'm in video, image. For video, there are also several models. So I'm going to create an image. And here I will need to enter the prompt. So what I need to do here is I will need to describe, I will need to describe, I opened it 2 times. I will need to describe this here as much in detail as possible. So I can write about 100 sentences about this image to make it as identical as possible. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it into ChatGPT. Okay. And now I'm going to explain what I'm about to do. I'm about to... Okay, so this is what I wrote. You can read it. So pretty curious what ChatGPT will do. So the prompt you can write custom. Highly detailed, okay. I'm not even going to read it. What the hell is this? Okay, so what I'm going to do, or maybe I will read it. I couldn't describe it this great. So what I'm going to do is prompt. Wait. So here is our model, and standard number of images is on 2, and that takes double the amount of credits, so on. So switch here. Let's see which model is it best. I want photorealistic. Yes, here we are. And let's take this one. It looks decent. And it's only, how many credits? 1 credit, okay. So, to be honest, I don't expect something decent with 1 credit actually. So let's write a prompt. Holy pretty curious. Honestly, there's no way that it's going to be similar to this. I don't believe that. Okay, I can see it, I think. Maybe like this. Okay. So, honestly, we did a better job. We did a better job. It doesn't have a sword. Okay. So, honestly, let's say sword. Wait a little bit. Yeah, the fox holds a glowing red sword, and it didn't even generate it. Okay, honestly, it didn't listen because tarantula, there is no tarantula, there is no sword. So I consider this trash for what I asked. There is not even a forest. I asked for a forest. Okay, so now again with another, but what is decent is that it is a fox with a human body and it's running. So that's good. So now, not sure if it's still copied. Another model, a little bit more expensive. So standard. I heard good things about Nano Banana. It's also integrated in Photoshop now. I heard that. So 15 credits will be charged. Okay. Output. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Create. 15 credits charged. It will be better, I think. It will be better, I think. That is almost what? What the? Huh? It is almost identical. What the? My mind is really blown now. Blown away. What the? Can you believe that? How identical this is? The fuck? Can I download this? Guys and girls, everyone. What the? It's just the same. What the? Even the even the position is the same. That's what, the knee up. Honestly, I don't need to describe it. It's just insanely similar. I'm going to leave this video for what it is. Make sure to click the link in the video description if you want to test out OpenArt. It's so cool because it has several models and the plans are extremely cheap for what it is, in my opinion. So, yeah. Okay, I'm going to leave this video. I'm out. Ciao. See you in the next time. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.